Good morning, friends. Today we'll cover chapter 13, Spark RDD joins. So joins are very much similar that how it is supported in SQL. So in a similar way in Java, in a Spark RDD also, it's supported for joins, where we have inner join, left outer joins, full outer joins, everything. So this is what we're going to learn in this chapter. So it has got a method, transformation method join. By transformation, as we have learned previously, that transformation means that whenever we call a transformation, an RDD would be transformed and converted into a new RDD. Because RDD, just like Java strings, are immutable. Any transformation which is done, any operation which is some like join, it will create a new RDD. So we have got this join method here, as mentioned in the Spark guide, that we have got this join, and by join we mean that if we have got two Java RDD pairs, Java pair RDDs, for example, one has got K and V, one has tuple one as key as K, and other one with tuple one as K and tuple two as W. So in that case, if we call join method on that, then it will be returning the key which are common to both of them and the value as the pair again, as V and W. So, and there are other methods like leftOuterJoin. So this join is, I think, basically for inner join. And if you want to perform the outer join, so there are additional methods like leftOuterJoin, rightOuterJoin, and fullOuterJoin. So let's start our with our basic test cases for inner join first. So I've got my IntelliJ open, and so I created this RDD joins test class. So let's go through that. What are the initial things that I have done? So I've created first a list of say tuple for customers. So this first key for this tuple2 is, so tuple2, as we have discussed before, that this is taken from Scala. So Scala tuple2 has got only two values for two items it can hold. One is the key and one is the value. Okay, so here for the customers, we have got a Java list, and inside this it has got Scala tuple elements. And then the key will be taking as an integer and the string as the actual customer name, as we have put it here in the before all method. The before all would be run only once we start the test case. Then only once we run this, it will only call once. It is not like before each. Before each would be called for each test case. Before all is called for, only for the first time when we actually run this test class. So we have got two list of tuples. One is customers, one is bill. For customers, we have got first as integer as the key, as these numbers, and the string as the name itself, the first name I have taken, just to make it simple. And for the bills, we have got again, for it is actually pointing, having a key as one of the customer IDs, you can say. And the bill is actually the bill. For example, we have got one customer with 8, having 8 as customer ID, and it has got total bill of 150.5. Similarly, for the customer 2, customer 2 is mapping here to Mary, and Mary has got a bill of 199.90. So in this way, we have got some of the items which are present here, which are also present in the customer list that we have. Some of the items which are not present in the customers. This is for some other customers, but we haven't uploaded it here. So this is our before all method. We will create this list first, and after that, before each that all other test cases that we'll run for different cases like inner join, outer join, and all, we'll be having different test cases. So for that, for each of them, there would be this before each will be called. And this is nothing special. We are doing it in all our test cases, previous test cases. So we'll create our Spark config object by using this new Spark conf and setting the app name as RDD joins test, which is the name of this test class, and set the master as local star, which will be taking 4 CPU worker threads. The Spark context will be created. And here is the main thing, that we are converting this Java list, because the customers, as we can see, this is a list of tuples. And similarly for bills. When we call parallelize pairs method, it will actually create this customer pair, which is a Java pair RDD. This Java pair RDD is present in the Scala API. I think for Java's pair RDD, we have already learned it before in our previous pair RDD test class, where we have gone through multiple unit test cases that how to create map to pair in Spark RDD. So this is what, if you want to like refer it again, you can check chapter 10 again. So Here we are going to create this Java pair RDD, and then we will use this Java pair RDDs to test our inner joins and outer joins. So we'll start with the first very basic join, which is the inner join, by calling this method. And these are our Java pair RDDs that I created, one for customers and one for bills. So let's start our first unit test case.